Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates on how to make a call on Discord using your Android device. Whether you're connecting with friends for a gaming session or just catching up, Discord makes it simple and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you do that now. Next, navigate to the contact you wish to call. You can find your friends in your friends list or in any server where they're active. Once you've located the desired contact, give it a tap to open their chat window. Now here's the fun part. To start a video call, look at the top right corner of the screen for a video icon. Just tap on it, and you'll instantly be connected via video. If you prefer a voice call instead, simply tap the phone icon, and you're good to go. And there you have it. Making calls on Discord is quick and seamless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Happy calling!